this video is the continuation part of part 2, chapter 3, exponents and radicals. Now we are going to start with exercise 3.3. The question is question number 1, 5 to the power minus 1 into 125 whole to the power 1 by 2 divided by root 5. We need to evaluate this. How we are going to evaluate it? 5 to the power minus 1, let it be 5 to the power minus 1, and 125. We know that 125 is the cube of 5. So we will write according to that to the power 1 by 2, and we also know that root 5 is 5 to the power 1 by 2. Now when we are having power to the power, first we will write down 5 to the power minus 1 into this 5 to the power 1 by 2 will go to the upward and it will become 5 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 5 to the power. This power, again we are having power to the power, so this will become 3 ones are 3 by 2. Now we are having the base same and power different, so all the powers can add up with each other. Minus 1, and here we are having minus 1 by 2, and here we are having plus 3 by 2. If here it is nothing, means the denominator is 1. So 5 to the power, the normal LCM will become 2, because the LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. So now 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, and again 2 1s are 2, but 3 1s are 3. So in continuation to this part, we'll go ahead with this, that is 5 to the power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 plus 3 upon 2. So this will become 5 to the power 0 by 2. 5 to the power 0 is 1. Now the second one is 24 to the power minus 1 into 36 to the power 1 by 2 upon 48 to the power minus 2. So what 48 to the power minus 2 will come upward, and it will become 48 to the power plus 2 into 36. We know that it is the square of 6 whole to the power 1 by 2. 24 to the power minus 1 will go to the downward and it will become 24 to the power plus 1. Now this square and square is going to be cancelled. Now we are having 48 square means 48 into 48 into 6 whole divided by 24. Now we are having 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. We are having 4 1s are 4 and 4 12s are 48. Now we need to multiply 48 with 12, and that is 576. Now we will continue with the third part, that is 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 upon 8 into 8 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we know that 4 is the square of 2. This will become whole to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 whole divided by 8. We know that 8 is the cube of 2 into again 8 is the cube of 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we will solve ahead. This will become 2 to the power minus 2 by 2, because power का भी power multiply हो जाता है, and this is 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 into, now this 2 to the power 3 will go up and it will become 2 to the power minus 3, and now in the denominator we are only left with 3 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. Now 2 and 2 is going to be cancelled and this will become 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power minus 3, and into this 2 to the power minus 3 by 2 will go to the up and it will become 2 to the power plus 3 by 2. Now base are same, all the power is going to add with each other, that is minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 and plus 3 by 2. Now we'll take the LCM of the denominator, and that is 2. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and again 1 2s are 2, again 1 2s are 2, and 3 2s are 6, plus 2 1s are 2, that is 3. So at last we are having 2 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 minus 2 is minus 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we are getting 2 to the power minus 1, which you can write it as 1 by 2. Now next is the fourth part, 48 to the power minus 2 into 64 to the power 1 by 2 upon 24 to the power minus 1. So 24 to the power minus 1 will come upward and it will become 24 to the power plus 1. 64 we know that it is the square of 8, and 48 to the power minus 2 will go downside and it will become 48 to the power plus 2. So this will become 24 into 2 and 2 is going to be cancelled, and finally we are having 8 upon 48 into 48. Now we are having 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the final answer is 1 upon 12. Now next is the fifth part, 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 upon 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. So how we are going to solve it? We know that 32 means it is 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5. 125 we know that it is the cube of 5 into minus 2 by 3. 3 and 3 is going to be cancelled and 5 and 5 is going to be cancelled. That will become 2 to the power minus 2 upon 5 to the power minus 2. So this will interchange and they will reciprocal to become a positive power. 5 to the power plus 2 will come upward and 2 to the power minus 2 will come downward and it will become 2 to the power plus 2. The square of 5 is 25 and the square of 2 is 4. And further you convert it in the mixed fraction, you will get 6 1 by 4. Now next is the sixth one, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 7 into 4 cube into 5 to the power 4 upon 8 square into 9 square into 6 square into 25 ka square. So the numerator you leave it as it is what it is given, and whatever we need to do over here is in the denominator part. 8 ka square, 8 is the cube of 2, you can write down 2 cube whole square. 9 is the square of 3, you can write down 3 square whole to the power square, and 6 is the factor of 2 and 3, 2 3 is 6, that is 2 into 3 whole square into 25 is the square of 5 to the whole square. So now we will continue this will become 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 whole divided by, now this will become 2 to the power 3 to the 6, 3 to the power 2 to the 4. This we can separate it down, 2 to the power 2 also we can write down and 3 to the power 2 also we can write down. Now again power to the power means 5 to the power 2 to the 4. Now continuing ahead with this, now we will be having 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 7 into 4 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 whole divided by, now 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 2. The power will add with each other, that is 2 to the power 8, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now here also 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 2, that is 4 plus 2 is 6 into 5 to the power 4 we can write it down. Now we'll shift to the top side, that is on continuation we will be getting 2 to the power 5 minus 8 into 3 to the power 7 minus 6 into 4 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 minus 4. Here it will become 2 to the power minus 3 into 7 minus 6 is 1, so 3 to the power 1 will be 3 only. 4 ka cube is 64 and 5 to the power 0. So this further you can write down 2 to the power minus 3, we will shift it to the denominator and we'll write down it is 3 into 64 into 5 to the power 0 is 1 only, so no need to write down, that will become 2 to the power 3. 3 into 64 upon the cube of 2 is 8 and 8 8s are 64. At last we are getting 3 8s are 24. Now the seventh part, x to the power a whole to the power b is going to become power ka bhi power hai, so they are going to multiply, that will become x to the power ab upon x to the power c into a is x to the power ca into x to the power b into c is x to the power bc upon again x to the power a into b is x to the power ab into x to the power c into a is x to the power ca upon x to the power b into c is bc. Now here what we will do, x to the power ab upon x to the power ab will become x to the power ab minus ab. Similarly x to the power bc upon x to the power bc will become bc minus bc. Similarly x to the power ca upon x to the power ca will become x to the power ca minus ca. So now x to the power ab will cancel, it will become 0. X to the power bc minus bc will cancel, again x to the power 0. X to the power ca minus ca is also 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1, again 1, again 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Now next is the 8th part, x to the power minus 2 by 3 into 3 into x to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. So power to the power going to multiply with each other and 3 is going to be cancelled. Here also 3 and 3 is going to be cancelled. This will become x to the power minus 2 into x to the power minus 1. So base are same, so the power is going to add with each other, that is minus 2 and minus 1. That will become x to the power minus 3. If you want to convert it into a positive power, you can convert it and you can take the reciprocal 1 upon x to the power 3. Now the last part, that is the ninth one, 4 to the power minus 3 into 4 to the power 7 upon 4 to the power 2. In the numerator you can see the base are same, so the power can add with each other. Minus 3 plus 7 whole to the power the square of 4. What is 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3 is 4 upon 4 to the power 2. Again base are same, power are different, so it will become 4 to the power 4 minus 2. That is the square of 4. The square of 4 is 16.